Reka mburo kuhika ha businguzi obu esingire empaka z'omupiira gw'ebigyere erikuteera aba General Headquarter nagoremwa aha rubushomuza kamaririzo. Aba bagarukire basinga omuzaano gw'okunyurura omuguha ogurikumanywa nka tug of war ahu basingira aba Murchison Falls National Park n'obugoba bubiri ahari busha kandi omu volleyball hamwe na darts bakwasire ekyakabiri ekibaheerize obubonero kusinga tiimu ezindi. Abandi abakozire kurungi ni Murchison Falls abasingira omu kubaka barikuteera Queen Elizabeth National Park na goal 5-7 ahari 36 okutwara ekikopo. Aba Kidepo Valley basingira ez'okurasha kandi aba Kibale Conservation Area batwara ekya tiimu esingire y'emicwe hamwe n'abandi. Emizaano egi ehikirweho na mukuru w'ekitongore kya Uganda Wildlife Authority Dr. James Musinguzi osiimire boona abazeetabiremu kandi akabakwasa ebihembo.
The games remind us about discipline as a cardinal role or as the cardinal virtue that we keep in the forces. And as we conclude this version of the 8th edition of the Inter-CA, I want to remind you that we have the Inter-Forces Games coming in a week's time. So be ready. We are going to participate as the Uganda Wildlife Authority. And we shall facilitate to make sure that everything goes well.
Emizaano egi ebiri eri omurundi gwa 8 kutebeekanisibwa kandi erikukurataho y'omurundi gwa 9 neija kutebeekanisibwa aba Murchison Falls National Park. Ahabwa TV West ndi era Akiza.